Good morning, guys, and welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to create some simple yet good-looking birthday invite for yourself. Maybe if you have like a daughter, a kid, or a son, husband or wife, or maybe just for a friend. Now, this video is for you. So let's not waste any time. Let's go to the edits. Okay, so we are now in Canva. And let's say, for example, you are creating an invite for your daughter or maybe your niece. Let's go for like a pastel design, pastel invite for kids' birthday. Sorry, guys, that's a keyword that I thought. All right, so in the search results, we can see here tons of beautiful templates that we can customize based on your liking. So for this tutorial, we are going with one template that we will customize. Let's say, for example, we will customize this one, Olivia's birthday. Let's go ahead and open it. All right. Now, as you can see here, these are mock-ups. Like, for example, you want to avail of Canva's printing services, then these are the mock-ups samples that you can see, right? When these are printed. But in this tutorial, we'll just go ahead and customize this because we're just aiming for to create an invite, right? In Canva. So we're not printing it yet. Go ahead and open it. Now you'll be prompted to the canvas where the design is. Okay, so let's say, for example, this is the picture of your daughter, right? It's so cute. And you want to change the color of the background, then you just hit that. You just click that, and then you'll be prompted to this pop-up here. These are the tools. So click that, and then you can basically adjust the color based on your liking. Right? Just make sure that the color is really complementary to the overall color of the design so that you won't mess up, right? Okay. So I'm okay with this. Maybe let's revert to the original color, which is this one. It's really looking good. Okay, so now you can basically customize this template based on the design. Here, the elements, you can go ahead and check out some elements here. Let's say banners for birthday, and then you'll be prompted to different kinds of elements available for you. You can also check out what's available in the photos on the same keyword that you key in, right? So for frames, there's available for banners, videos, maybe audio. Yeah, having the same keyword. But for this, let's go for graphics. Maybe you want to add another set of colors that's let's put some pastel word in there so that it goes with the theme. You want to add this banner, size that up and put that maybe in the center, something like that. Right. Just maybe duplicate this banner here. Okay. And make a duplicate on the other side. Okay. So let's say, for example, that this is your finished invite for your daughter or for your niece, and you want this design to be replicated on a Facebook banner because you'll be creating like an event page for the upcoming birthday, let's say. So what you will do is head on to resize in this corner here, click that, and then choose a size that you want. And let's go for Facebook cover. This size covers the event page cover as well. So let's click that. Once you click that, the copy and resize button is now good to go. So you can click that, and what it does is basically copying the design and replicating it to another size. But the original size, we still have it. So you can now open the Facebook cover, and there you have it. You still have to rework the entire thing when you try to resize it into another canvas size. So Let's go ahead and resize this. Let's put this image here of the girl, right? Let's just resize the entire thing as one. I'm gonna group this. You can hit Control G to group the elements together, and then the stars in that direction, flowers here, maybe resize that. I'm gonna drag the flag here in this corner here, size that up. Maybe that one would do good. And this flags as well, size that up, adjust a bit. Okay, and then Olivia's name. Uh, right, in this text format, I'm gonna be going into a flat, or I'm gonna be taking off the effect because this is now a landscape size. I don't want anything about this one. So doing, I'm gonna be going to the shape none, remove that, and then straight up the letters. Okay, resize the rainbows here, put that way. Rainbows here, putting it that way. All right, drag that down a bit. Previous name should be there. The flower should be resized too. Okay, the dates, fonts, characters need to be resized as well. And then this one needs to be increased because we are now doing a different canvas size. So the elements and the text, the images and the background needs to be resized depending on the canvas size. So resize that up. Okay. Right, drag these elements here, size that up, flower here, and this element here, there. And then maybe play a bit with the flower. I'm gonna replicate some flowers here. Resize, put there, put some additional flowers here. In order for you to duplicate, guys, there are tons of ways to do this. You can go and click this duplicate icon here, or you can just drag the icon or press Alt and then drag the icon there. No need for you to hit no need for you to hit the duplicate icon here. You can just hit Alt and then drag it. So we just duplicate the flower again. All right. All right. So that's it. We have now a Facebook landscape cover for Olivia's birthday. That is so awesome, guys. And that's just pretty simple, straightforward, and a bit of editing, but most of the design is already in the template. So you just have to move things around, edit a bit of the text, personalize it based on your liking, and then you're done. And there you have it. That's just pretty much easy to do when you create your design in a template inside Canva and just, personalize it based on your liking. And then we were able to resize it in a Facebook banner. That's really awesome, guys. So I'm going to be wrapping this video up by saying thank you so much for watching the video. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe to the video for more contents like this. I'm going to see you guys in the next one. Peace out.